Most people trying to build Autoblog websites with AI are doing it completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with WordPress to create a system that actually works, not just generating content, but publishing it automatically. All of this will be built with a single prompt. So make sure you don't skip this video, as you will be learning how to make your own Autoblog website in just a few minutes. This single prompt on my screen is what we will use in building a system that will automatically post content on your WordPress website. Enter this prompt in Claude. I need you to create a Autoblog plugin. It will have two submenus, the Autoblog page and the settings page. On the settings page, we'll have API provider like OpenRouter, Gemini, and Pollination AI. For the OpenRouter and Gemini, after the field for entering the API key, it must have an input field where I can enter any of their models and it will work. And as for the pollination, after the API key input, it will have a Fetch All Models button that when clicked, it will fetch all the text models in a drop-down, and I can select any of it and save. Also, there must be a test button that can be used to test if a model and API key is correctly working. On the Autoblog page, it will have a Start button that when clicked, it will start auto-posting content per minutes or hours depending on the configuration settings, as it will have ability to run automatically by me entering the exact niche of my website, and the AI will start writing content in that niche automatically. All contents must be related to the niche. Make sure the posted contents are in proper structure form, H1, H2, H3, and so on. You can write in HTML if that will make the content to be well structured. Also, there must be a cron job that will run externally on cronjob.org. I can configure the content generation to be minutes or hours or days if I want through the cron site. I hope you know exactly what you're building, and also add other necessary features if possible. Once you click send, Claude is going to take at least 5 to 8 minutes to create the complete plugin file and present it to you in a zip file. Alright, it's done already, and I have the zip plugin file available for download. Here are the features built. The settings page has a provider tabs that features OpenRouter, Gemini, Pollinations AI, and the OpenRouter and Gemini API key field, plus a free text model input for entering any model ID. While the Pollinations has API key plus fetch models button that pulls live text models into a drop-down. And there's also a test button per provider. This button, when clicked, will send a real ping and shows pass or fail. And there's a show or hide password toggle on all API key fields. Now, for the Autoblog dashboard, there's a live stats that displays the total post, niche, next run, provider, and last run time. There's also a Generate Now button that manually trigger with live feedback and a link to the new post. The auto publish toggle enables or disables WP cron on the fly. While there's a schedule summary card, there's also a external cron URL plus secret, which you can use to configure automated through cronjob.org. Another features worth mentioning are the activity log and recent post table. Now, I will download the plugin file and upload it on WordPress so you can see how it works. Now, I'm on my WordPress dashboard. I'll just upload the plugin and install it. Now, I'm just going to click on the Autoblog menu and click on the settings. Right, you can see how beautiful the settings page look. Here's where you configure your API key and set up the cron job if you want. The content settings is where I can configure the website niche, writing tone, language, and post status. Let me quickly configure everything and head to the Autoblog dashboard. Everything is configured, and now I'm on the Autoblog dashboard. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can generate content manually by just clicking the Generate and Publish Now button. So let's generate our first content. Content can be generated in few seconds or minutes. It's done. Now let's see the generated content. Wow, it generates both the title and the content in just a few seconds, and you can see how well they were written and structured. Personal finance is often discussed in terms of mathematics, budgets, interest rates, investment returns, and debt-to-income ratios. However, the most critical component of financial success isn't a spreadsheet, it's your brain. Wow, that's incredible. The AI writing is well structured, as you can see clearly. Everything is well written and readable, and even related to the finance niche. Let's generate another content. Alright, just click on the Generate Content button again and it will start writing content immediately. This should take a few minutes to be done. Alright, it is done. Don't forget, I can also configure the cron job to set it to write content automatically, either by minutes or hours. Now let's open this new generated content. The content is also well written and well structured. How about we try generating content in Spanish? Click on the Autoblog settings and change the language from English to Spanish, and head back to the Autoblog dashboard and click on the Generate button again. The content is generated now. Let's open it and have a look. Wow, this is incredible. We just have the AI write content in Spanish. And this are unique content. Remember, this Autoblog AI plugin is built with just a single prompt using Claude AI. Gone are days when we have to pay some fee to be able to use Autoblog. Now it's free. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as I will be showing how to make this same plugin to work professionally like every other highly valued Autoblog plugins and websites. In my next video, I'll also give you a single prompt that will upgrade this plugin to be able to generate images for the content and also write and assign the categories perfectly. Thank you for watching.